Yo. All right, today is March 24th, 2025. Um, I did pre-set up my charts the night before, so I'll go over the pre-market and see what's going on with the market. Um, okay, so let's just get to it. So we're at our weekly high and lows. All right. Gonna have to load this again. I think I do. Let's go to the. No. Okay, looks like everything's there. All right. So I added my weekly highs and lows from last week. I'm missing this one. I added the high and low, because we're above that. Okay. All right. So I added my weekly highs and lows. We had some nice pullback on the week prior, and then prices kind of like continuing that. ES and NQ were inside the last week's high, last week's candle, and now it's kind of moving above it. I still think we have some more downside to go, but we'll see. We did a lot of absorption on Friday, and it just took off. I might be wrong. I think we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, we're in a heavy uptrend. I think we just shifted. Looking at the volume stuff on the lower time frame, I think we're shifted. All right, so I don't see any volume prior day. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is a huge move, so we're gapping up from the prior day. This may be an obstacle, maybe. Um, VIX, yes, and NQ has been moving up, but VIX has not really been moving. Maybe VIX will absorb us and move us back down if VIX goes up. So we've kind of been selling, but there's no like selling volume. So I think we're gonna retest this, and we kind of been buying, but there's no buying volume on the daily. So we'll see what comes of that. All right, but there's a lot of buying volume here, a lot of buying. Right, I went through this here, so I'm gonna look more into it. All right, we're not nice uptrend. All right, I don't see anything on the 4 hour that would really slow us down. We kind of really cleared a lot of stuff. Kind of this here probably was the trigger for the uptrend. That's too far. This looks like a good area for it. Yeah. Nice break, no retest. I like to see a retest down here and the price to really get going. Alright, they both had that strong buy on that 4 hour. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. Alright, so now we are creating some RSIs as we reach these highs here. I'm going to be doing some more deleting. Alright, the stuff that I created the prior day can all go. That can go. We're above. That can go. Broke through that. Broke through that. Uptrend still. Absorption candle right here. Nothing there to back it. There goes one of the absorption candles. Got a nice little block right here. Pause. Price came back to it. Pause. Price came back to it. Moved up higher. So what I've been noticing is that when I see some of these weird things, I just pop up and look for like the odd things inside of it. This long candle's looking for the odd candles inside of it or near it, but mostly inside of it if I can. Volume also. All right, things that just stick out. That's just like, what is that doing here? All right, something that's just like, okay, this is weird. Let's investigate. All right, so not really anything in sync right now. All right. Yeah, I'm not really finding anything that's synced up. I think we may come back lower. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm gonna mark this one 30-minute apps. You're never that dark. It's high, yesterday low. Alright. Everybody's below their weeklies. Or above them, I should say. I don't know what to do with most of this. I really don't. I really don't know what to do with most of this. This is not giving me anything that I find interesting. So the 15-minute. Go back to the 30-minute. This can go. Alright, yeah, that's like way out somewhere. Alright, nothing's really sticking out. I mean, we are inside in the supply zone on both sides. It looks evenly matched. Alright, so we'll see where we come of that. What comes of that. I don't really have anything that's really like telling me what we're gonna do next. Alright, so yeah. Kinda where we're at right now. That's selling, like we're in that with that selling, so 15 minutes, 5 minute, mark this, maybe that, I don't know. I really can't make heads or tails of this market right now. I think we have a trend line going something like that. Probably just going to be waiting. don't know what to make with this. 1 minute. I'm about to walk away soon. I think I'm about done. Where's my clock? Okay. It's way too much activity in the inside of this. I can't make sense of it. And when there's too much activity, it doesn't really help. I need small activities. There's the activity is just way too much. What I do know is that we are in an uptrend. I don't really have much of anything backing anything up. We are in an uptrend, but price has not shifted its direction yet and has not given me anything to work with. That much I do know. So with that, I'm gonna have to use the RSIs to help make sense of this. So I'm gonna reload this, and we're gonna look at the RSIs to see if there's anything in the RSIs to help with something. I can really. All right. So we have some RSIs here. Price cooled off for a bit, and then RSIs came up again, and then we got this level right here. All right. So maybe we're messing with that. All right. So let's mark this, and we'll mark this one. All right, because that's what we have buying, right? We'll mark this where the RSI started, but we'll mark this one because that's where the volume came in. All right, and then we'll look for it on VIX, and I got nothing on. Oh, got some selling right here on VIX, but we passed through it. All right, let's go to the 4 hour, 1 hour, and then go through there. 4 hours that, 1 hour is that. Okay, 30-minute was that. 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute, we got this little bad boy right here. We got some RSIs, and then price plateaued, and then moved up. So I'm going to mark this area right here, from here all the way down to here. All right, because where price plateaued at. All right, so from here all the way down to here. All right, and then we're going to check out VIX 15-minute, and we're going to see if we can find the same thing from there all the way up to. I'm going to have to stop early because the other one is just too short down, so we'll start here. All right, a little plateau. All right, I still think that VIX is at a demand zone, so we don't know. All right, and then we shot up, came down, shot up again with some volume, came down, because it's kind of hard to just keep adding stuff to it as we're going. So it's like, what do we do? All right, but this RSI little bundle here is interesting. We got some buying here. Mark this 15-minute. Buy. We'll keep it orange because it's a very weird one. Minute buy. This is gonna be 15-minute sell. Alright, so we got that. We do have something right here, which I'm also gonna add, which is our our news. Not our news, our weekly high and low, right? So 15-minute FVJ, right? So from here to here, right? So coming down to that area here, I'll probably look for a buy. Whatever this buy is, it's been destroyed. This one here has been destroyed. Probably gonna delete that. Looks like we're trying to create an, like we did create an FVJ right here, but so much going on. All right, let's go to the 5-minute. Push down into that level. It's already just too much information. Probably just gonna have to wait for price to clear up and do what it needs to do. But I'm going to keep this part here because this is a dead zone, and then price just reacted. Let me get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. And get rid of these. Alright, just gonna try to declutter the charts. I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna keep that there. So I'm gonna wait till price to actually tell me something, because I really can't tell what's going on. All right, so let's just add. Okay, so let's go here. This is the new one. Monday. Heavy news in Europe and Great Britain, and Trump speaks again. Keep CAD up. Anything from CAD? No. So 9:45 is news. Then we have this guy here, and then we have Trump, and then we got this guy here. So our 9:45 one is probably the more important ones, and then also Trump is just as important because no one knows what he might say. All right, let's go to I don't see anything there. All right, I don't see anything there. All right, let's add our settlement prices. Thought I did that, but I guess not. Okay. Earnings wise, we do have the GameStop meme stock. Maybe something will come off that. I don't see anything that's really popping up. Nothing has changed since I've been using this thing here that kept saying that you should join. Alright, so that's basically it. So no major news until 9:45, which is in about 20, 30, 42 minutes. Other than that, yeah, I don't have anything else I need to add. So I'll just see you in my make sure. How much time did it go? Alright, 20 minutes. Okay, I'll just see what they're saying in the Discord about anything. Let's see if Carmen has anything, because I can't figure out any levels to really work with. And then I'm gonna set up my, when I get a chance, I want to go over my my trading week and just try to update my journal, because I haven't done anything in my journal. I'll plan is to be bullish and long pullbacks 56.96, 56.96 is way down here, right? This is one of the ones I was looking for. 56.60 above. Okay, however, market overnight gap rally 50 plus. This resistance is 58.20, which is, I have one here. Mine's a little sooner than his. 58.20, the nearest resistance level is 58.20 for today. The main scenarios I'm watching, if we can hold above 57.60, which is this one here. I'm gonna pull back to 57.90. Yeah, I can't be bearish. Okay, neither can I. If market rallies, I can't figure out. All right, so we're all in a bit of a limbo. That's a little bit comforting. So just be patient because we're in a strong uptrend. All right. Let's see here. All right. Anyways, I'm done. See you in the evening.